Hi, this is your host, and in today's video you will learn how to reduce the redness of acne overnight using a powerful herbal paste. Now, if you are someone who is struggling with acne breakouts and the redness that comes along with it, then you are in the right place. Because today I am going to share a simple homemade remedy to reduce acne redness fast and get you clear skin in no time. This remedy is made with 100% natural ingredients and most importantly it works fast. You can see results within just one night of application. Let's begin. To begin with, let me show you an interesting study published in evidence-based complementary and alternative medicine. In this study, researchers investigated the efficacy of Calendula officinalis extract in the treatment of mild to moderate acne. The results showed that the participants treated with Calendula officinalis extract had a significant reduction in acne lesions compared to those who received no treatment at all. So this is great news for those who want to try natural remedies for their acne. Calendula extract has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, which make it effective in reducing acne inflammation and redness. That's why it is often used in skincare products to treat acne. However, there is more to acne treatment than just using skincare products. To really reduce acne and prevent future breakouts, it's important to follow a holistic approach. One aspect of this is maintaining good nutrition. Eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can help reduce inflammation throughout the body, including the skin. Another important aspect is stress management. Stress can trigger hormonal changes that lead to increased sebum production and clogged pores. So finding ways to manage stress such as yoga, meditation, or regular exercise can be helpful. Getting enough sleep is also crucial for overall health and well-being. A lack of sleep can disrupt hormone levels and impair the body's natural detoxification processes, leading to more severe acne. Another effective way to reduce acne is by using a clay mask. Clay masks have been used for centuries to draw out impurities and excess oil from the skin. One popular type of clay mask is bentonite clay, which is rich in minerals such as silica, calcium, and magnesium. These minerals can help absorb excess oil and remove dirt and bacteria from the pores. Applying a bentonite clay mask once or twice a week can be an effective way to improve the appearance of acne. Another remedy that can be helpful is applying a cold compress to the affected area. This can help reduce inflammation and redness. You can do this by applying a cold wash rag or ice pack to your face for 10 to 15 minutes at a time. This can help soothe the skin and reduce puffiness, which can make acne appear less prominent. You can also consider using over-the-counter acne treatments which contain ingredients like salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide. These ingredients can help exfoliate the skin and kill bacteria that may be contributing to acne breakouts. However, it's important to use these products as directed and to consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns. If you are looking for a natural alternative, you could try using tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is extracted from the leaves of the tea tree plant and has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. You can apply tea tree oil directly to the acne using a cotton swab or dab with a clean finger. Keep in mind that tea tree oil can cause skin irritation in some people, so it's important to do a patch test before applying it to your entire face. But now let's move towards our main topic of discussion, which is the best herbal paste to reduce acne redness overnight. This paste contains all natural ingredients that work together to reduce inflammation and redness associated with acne. This is very effective because it targets the root cause of acne, which is inflammation. By reducing inflammation, this paste helps to calm down acne breakouts and soothe the skin. Let me introduce you to the key ingredient of this herbal paste, which is turmeric. Turmeric is a golden-colored spice that has been used for centuries in Ayurvedic medicine. For its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, it contains a compound called curcumin, which is responsible for most of its health benefits. Studies have shown that curcumin can help reduce inflammation in the body, which can be helpful in reducing acne breakouts and redness. Applying turmeric topically to the skin can also be effective in treating acne. Its antibacterial properties can help kill the bacteria that cause acne, while its anti-inflammatory properties can reduce redness and swelling. The second ingredient of our herbal paste is aloe vera. Aloe vera is a popular ingredient in skincare products due to its soothing and healing properties. It is often used to treat sunburns, but it can also be helpful in treating acne. Aloe vera contains anti-inflammatory compounds that can reduce redness and swelling associated with acne. It also has antibacterial properties that can help kill the bacteria that cause acne. Additionally, aloe vera is a humectant, which means it helps the skin retain moisture. This can be helpful in keeping the skin hydrated and preventing it from becoming too dry, which can trigger more acne breakouts. Now let's talk about how to make this powerful herbal paste. To make the herbal paste, you will need 2 tablespoons of fresh turmeric powder or 1 tablespoon of dried turmeric powder and 1/4 cup of aloe vera gel. Start by mixing the turmeric powder and aloe vera gel in a small bowl. Add the turmeric powder to the gel and mix well to ensure that there are no lumps. If the mixture is too thick, you can add a few drops of water to achieve the desired consistency. Once the paste is ready, apply it to the affected area of the face and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing. You can use this mask once or twice a week depending on the severity of your acne. It is important to note that while this herbal paste can be effective in reducing acne redness, it is not a substitute for proper medical treatment. If you have severe or persistent acne, it is important to consult with a healthcare professional and seek appropriate medical attention. Now let's talk about how this herbal paste reduces the redness of acne. The key ingredient turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is a natural response of the body to injury or infection. But sometimes it can go into overdrive and become chronic. Chronic inflammation can lead to various health problems, including acne. When your body is in a state of chronic inflammation, it produces high levels of inflammatory markers which can trigger acne breakouts. Acne is a common skin condition that occurs when hair follicles are clogged with oil and bacteria. This clogging leads to inflammation of the skin, which causes redness and swelling around the affected area. The anti-inflammatory properties of curcumin help to reduce the production of these inflammatory markers, which in turn helps to calm down the acne and reduce the redness associated with it. Another way that turmeric helps in reducing the redness of acne is by inhibiting the activity of certain enzymes that contribute to inflammation. One such enzyme is lipoxygenase, which produces leukotrienes, which are inflammatory chemicals that play a role in the development of acne. By inhibiting the activity of this enzyme, curcumin helps to reduce the production of leukotrienes and alleviate the symptoms of acne. While turmeric is the star ingredient in this herbal paste, aloe vera also plays an important role in reducing the redness of acne. Aloe vera has anti-inflammatory and soothing properties that can help calm the skin and reduce redness. It also has antibacterial properties that can help fight the bacteria that contribute to acne breakouts. Additionally, aloe vera hydrates the skin and prevents it from becoming too dry, which can trigger more acne. By applying the herbal paste containing turmeric and aloe vera to the affected area, you can take advantage of these anti-inflammatory and soothing properties to reduce the redness of acne. The paste acts as a cool compress which can help constrict blood vessels and reduce inflammation. It also creates a protective barrier on the skin, which can help shield it from environmental pollutants and irritants that can aggravate acne. Overall, using a herbal paste made with turmeric and aloe vera can be an effective and natural way to reduce the redness of acne. While it is important to note that everyone's skin is different and what works for one person may not work for another, if you are looking for a natural remedy to reduce the redness of acne, then this herbal paste is definitely worth a try. Just be sure to do a patch test before applying it to your entire face, and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching.